In this video, I'm about to show you how to use Perplexity AI Pro for free. So you can see if you head over to this upgrade section, we have Pro for around $20, but you can use it for free if you get free trial with this. So as of now, it is going to be charging you $20, and the free version is gonna be of course completely for free, but the features are limited. So if you want to use the Pro for free, make sure to create a new account, and you are going to be getting a couple of free trails for that, and that is the only way that you can use it for free officially. If you want to use with any other way, which I do not recommend, since a lot of time is going to be scamming, maybe using phishing and hacking techniques, so it is not actually safe for your site. So make sure to give it a try. And yeah, I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more, and see you in the next video.